Good morning. Welcome to Zen Health Vibes. Your first meal of the day might seem harmless, but it could be quietly working against you, especially in ways that truly matter. Right now, countless seniors are reaching for the same breakfast they've had for years, believing it's a healthy start. But that choice might be affecting the blood flow and muscle strength that keep you active, confident, and energized. Even something as simple as toast or cereal could be disrupting circulation in your lower body. This might explain why you're feeling weaker, why your energy is low, or why you're experiencing strange numbness that's hard to pinpoint. Many men assume these changes are just part of aging, but age might not be the real culprit. The problem could be right there on your breakfast plate. I'm Dr. Catherine Rocker, a specialist in men's health. For over 2 decades, I've helped thousands of men maintain their strength, vitality, and confidence. I've met countless men who thought they'd lost their energy and intimate health for good. But what we discovered was simple and hopeful, and it starts in the kitchen. Your body wants to support healthy blood flow. It wants to help you stay strong and confident, but it needs the right nutrients to do so. You won't find those in a prescription bottle. They're in your food. Today, I'll share 5 simple breakfast foods that improve circulation, strengthen key muscles, and boost confidence without side effects. One of them might already be in your fridge, and some men notice a difference in less than a week. Stay with me as I reveal these foods, how to use them, and how they can transform your mornings and your circulation. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss valuable senior health tips like these. If this topic resonates with you, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. I'd love to hear from you. Food number 1: spinach. Let's start with the first breakfast food that can make a real difference in your circulation and help you feel stronger in the areas that matter most. Spinach, whether fresh or blended into a smoothie, is a true powerhouse thanks to its nitrates. These naturally improve blood flow, especially to the pelvic region. This leafy green can help you regain strength, protect your confidence, and support circulation without medication. Take Robert, for example. At 62, he was dealing with heavy legs, odd soreness around his groin, and low energy. These issues slowly chipped away at his confidence. Every morning, he stuck to cereal and toast, assuming slowing down was just part of aging. But after we talked, Robert learned something crucial. His symptoms weren't caused by age. They stemmed from poor circulation and a lack of key nutrients that keep blood vessels open and healthy. Many men over 60 are low in dietary nitrates, which is a problem because nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps blood vessels relax and widen. When levels drop, blood struggles to reach your legs and pelvic area, leading to less energy, weaker performance, and sometimes numbness or discomfort. Just one serving of spinach delivers an impressive 845 milligrams of nitrates, more than most vegetables in the store. It supports the nitrate to nitrite to nitric oxide pathway, helping your body maintain blood flow even as nitric oxide production naturally declines with age. This protects both your mobility and your intimate health. Spinach isn't just about iron or muscle building, though you might think of Popeye's strength. It's even more powerful for circulation. The American Heart Association reports that spinach improves flow-mediated dilation, a key measure of how well your arteries expand. Studies show it lowers blood pressure in just hours and boosts circulation throughout the body, including the pelvic arteries. Eating spinach in the morning is especially effective because nitric oxide levels peak 2 to 3 hours after consumption, giving you steady circulation for much of the day. Starting your day with spinach sets your body up for stronger blood flow and natural confidence without harsh side effects. Let me tell you about Harold, 67, who often felt tired and weighed down, especially in his lower body. It was frustrating. He started blending 2 cups of spinach into his morning smoothie. 3 weeks later, he told me he felt lighter on his feet, had more energy, and could stay active more easily. That one simple change restored the nitrate levels his body needed, and he felt the difference daily. Spinach is affordable, easy to find, and doesn't require medication. It works with your body's nitric oxide system to keep blood flowing where it matters most, helping you feel stronger and more confident without pills or side effects. Food number 2, Greek yogurt with berries. Next up is a creamy, delicious breakfast that doesn't rely on nitrates, but supports your gut and circulation in a unique way. It might even improve your digestion while boosting blood flow. How often do you hear men over 60 say, "I don't have the energy I used to," or "my hands and feet are always cold"? These are common complaints. Poor circulation can slowly drain your drive, confidence, and energy, and it can affect your lower body in ways that aren't always obvious at first. Your gut plays a bigger role than you think. It's not just about digestion. It supports your immune system and impacts blood flow. About 70% of your immune system depends on a balanced gut. When your gut isn't functioning well, it creates low-level inflammation that can damage blood vessel linings and slow circulation, especially in the morning. Here's a simple solution: Greek yogurt topped with antioxidant-rich berries. Greek yogurt provides probiotics that reduce gut inflammation and help your body process dietary nitrates more effectively. If you eat foods like spinach or beets, probiotics make them even more beneficial. They also support nitric oxide production, keeping small blood vessels relaxed and open. Berries, meanwhile, are packed with anthocyanins, plant compounds that lower blood pressure, keep blood vessels flexible, and protect nitric oxide so it stays active longer. Berries are also rich in vitamin C, which gives nitric oxide an extra boost. Together, this combo improves blood flow, resets your body each morning, supports your gut, and keeps your energy flowing freely. The American Heart Association found that men over 60 who eat yogurt regularly have a 21% lower risk of heart disease. Studies also show that berries' anthocyanins can reduce high blood pressure risk by 8% and help raise nitric oxide levels. Take Martin, 64, who used to feel fine in the morning but was drained and sluggish by the afternoon, with heavy legs. It was frustrating. I suggested he swap his toast for a bowl of Greek yogurt with blueberries. 2 weeks later, he felt more awake in the morning, his afternoon tiredness nearly vanished, and his legs felt lighter. He could even keep up with his grandkids without needing to sit down constantly. This breakfast combo helped him feel and move better by supporting his gut, boosting nitric oxide, and keeping circulation strong all day. Food number 3, avocado. Now let's talk about another green food that's creamy and often underestimated. Avocado, some call it fancy guacamole, but it deserves more credit, especially for seniors who want consistent circulation and energy. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats and potassium, which help blood vessels function properly. This improves flow-mediated dilation, a key indicator of healthy circulation. A study from the American Heart Association showed that eating avocado twice a week can lower heart disease risk by 16%. That's significant, and it doesn't just benefit your heart, it supports your confidence and intimacy too. Avocados keep blood vessels flexible and support nitric oxide, the same system targeted by certain medications, but naturally and safely. Spreading half an avocado on your morning toast gives your body a proven circulation and energy boost before lunch. Frank, 59, was skeptical at first, joking that avocado was just expensive guac. But with heavy legs and low energy dragging him down by the afternoon, he gave it a try. 2 weeks after adding half an avocado to his morning breakfast, he said his legs felt springy, he had more energy for walks, and he laughed and said, "That green stuff really works." Better circulation lifts your mood too, not just your blood flow, enhancing your quality of life. Morning is the ideal time for avocado because its healthy fats activate blood vessels, and your body absorbs its vitamins A, D, E, and K more effectively. Want to amplify it? Pair it with berries or a slice of orange. The vitamin C boosts nutrient absorption even more. Half an avocado each morning can improve your energy, stamina, and circulation, supporting how you feel every day. Food number 4, dark chocolate. This one might surprise you. It's rich, dark, and usually saved for dessert. Dark chocolate, specifically 70% cacao or higher, can support blood flow when eaten in the morning. Forget sugary milk chocolate. The benefits come from high cacao varieties packed with flavanols, compounds that keep blood vessels flexible and help nitric oxide do its job. Some studies suggest they work even better than certain treatments. You get more oxygen, better circulation, and more energy, especially in the morning. During sleep, your body loses some antioxidants and blood vessels can become less responsive. A few squares of dark chocolate in the morning restore nitric oxide and improve circulation throughout the day. William, 63, used to feel stiff and heavy every morning, like his circulation was stuck in first gear. He was drained and frustrated. I suggested he try a couple of small squares of dark chocolate with his morning coffee. A week later, he was amazed. He felt sharper, his energy was back, and his circulation improved. That's the power of a small change. Dark chocolate isn't just a treat, it's a smart way to support blood flow and keep your confidence high. The power of consistency. When you combine these 5 foods, spinach, Greek yogurt with berries, avocado, dark chocolate, and pomegranate, the effects multiply. Together, they're greater than the sum of their parts. Greek yogurt enhances nitrate absorption from spinach. Berries' vitamin C boost chocolate's flavonols. Avocado's healthy fats improve pomegranate's polyphenol absorption.